Let's go, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? You guys doing all right? Past 2 of the new 100K Lucid Dailies. W. Catch anything in Asia? Yeah, we caught a move, the move to PDL in Asia, and then closed it at I trimmed some out, closed the rest of it break even, and then obviously we made another move lower. This was pretty obvious. I don't know if any of you guys traded this. It was kind of shitty delivery, but we opened up midnight, unmanipulated. You guys know what that means. That means we're going back up, right? Opened up midnight, did not manipulate, came all the way down. Literally like 10 points from the monthly fair value gap. Then reversed, went all the way up to midnight to properly manipulate. We did that. Came all the way back down, then came all the way back up again. We put in SMT. So now we have a ton of bearish SMT here, like a lot of bearish SMT. And we'll see how it goes, but yeah, that's what's happening. We're getting more bearish today, it seems. Yeah, we're going down towards the area we want this to go to. Remember, the monthly fair value gap here is at 827.75, so we need that. And then we need this 755.5 as well, right? We need both of those. Longed off the 856 sweep. Oh, this right here. Okay, nice, nice. Yeah, so for today, I would like to do shorts. Pretty obvious why. 10 minutes off of the monthly fair value gap. It has not been hit yet. Monthly fair value gap has not been hit yet, which means it needs to get hit at some point. So I would like to take my ideal trade here is the trade down to the monthly fair value gap. That would be the highest probability trade here. Remember, today is Tuesday. It is the day before FOMC. This entire week, there is one day that is incredibly low probability, and that is today. So we're not here trying to force any trades. If we see a nice trade setup, we take a nice trade setup. But we are not here to force any kind of BS trades and do any of that, all right? So just want to make sure you guys know that. But yeah, let's do it. Coming into the open, I would like for this thing to dump. Yeah, I would like for it to dump coming into the open. Expecting a move lower here at the open. I'm back to watch your live after 3 months of unemployment. This time, I hope I'm not going back. Well, welcome back. Boring channel going to PW. All right, bro. Have fun. Potential AMD PO3, 1 minute. Well, actually, yeah. Yeah. But this would be more bullish. This would be a little more bullish. TBH. Can you explain why today's a unique day again? It's because it's the day before FOMC. Day before FOMC, it's not going to be that good, you know? It's not going to be a great trading day. Morning, Ricardo. What's up, bro? Tapped into weekly FVG. Don't you expect it to pump to... Nope. Bro, we're 10 points from the monthly FVG here. So that's what I need. That's what I need here. And then we can go for new high of the week. If my goal is build a stack of accounts to trade, to complete my Lucid 5 stack, do you recommend buying 3 pros / flexes or the dailies? Well, I would say the flexes. I'm building the flex stack, right? As you guys know, I'm building the flex stack. So I'm going to say flex, but you know, I still think the daily, for the daily payout option, TPT is the better option. So we have a huge SMT between NQ and ES. What do you usually do if we get these huge SMTs? Well, if I have an entry paired with a huge SMT, cool. If not, then I just kind of ignore it. It doesn't really mean anything. Pixify, what's up, bro? But yeah, there is a lot of SMT. We have a ton of bearish SMT, and then we also have a ton of bullish SMT. So ES is clearly like a lot stronger. I haven't looked at the Dow, but ES is very, very strong here. So we'll see. Current 4-hour candle at the start was so ass. It presented so textbook accumulation, but it kept fluctuating. Hit SL in 2 bars from 5 pips. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's not going to be that great. Listen, it's a Tuesday. It's the day before FOMC. It's not going to be great. I'll tell you guys that right now. Nice move lower here off that 930 open. Pretty much exactly what we were expecting. Trying to copy trade and manage accounts that have intraday and EODs all over the place. Yeah, that's why I'm saying, like, if you're going to do the daily payouts, just go with TPT. But if you're going to do the flex accounts, right? If you want something like the flex accounts, you should definitely just stick to Lucid. I think having a Lucid stack of the flexes is pretty solid, bro. You can get a max payout every 5 days, okay? Right? Technically, you can get a max payout every 5 days. And max payout on a 50K is 10 grand. So 10 grand every 5 days you could do. Every week. Every trading week, you can get a max payout of 10 grand. What is FOMC? It's when the Fed chair comes on and announces what the Fed's plan is in terms of interest rates, etc. It's a red folder event, so it has a pretty big effect on the market. Khalid, what's up, bro? If you're looking for shorts, why you want price to go lower now? Because it's gonna keep going lower. You mind if you can mark that monthly FVG? I have 2 marks. I do have it marked. I do have it marked. Seems like the end of the week will be better for trading. Yeah, it will. It will. Is it too early to mention TJR? Yes, bro. I will ban you forever. You think we bounce from the monthly since NQ's so weak compared to ES? We're gonna dig a little bit deeper into the monthly. It's not gonna bounce like right away. How do you feel about Tradeify daily accounts? They're all right. Dude, my thing with dailies is I will always prefer TPT over any other firm. It's just better. TPT is the firm if you are looking for daily payouts. TPT is the firm. That's it. Like, plain and simple, bro. There's genuinely nothing better. For the price, for what it is, TPT is the best in terms of daily payouts. There is no competition. Okay, let me prepare my... Morning fear. Do you trade 9:30 open if Saturn presents itself? If Saturn presents itself, yeah, of course. Definitely. Definitely. Nilo, what's good, bro? If we have unmanipulated important levels underpriced and we're bullish, what can make us confident taking shorts towards these levels? If your setup shows up, you know, if we have higher time frame, pity array, SMT, all those things, if all those things are there, then yeah, it's great. Like, go ahead. You know? What are you looking for to take an entry? I am looking for one of these two levels, and then I will start looking for longs. Assuming it makes low of the week somewhere down here. Do you think we have entered into a bear market? No. Are we due for a bounce? We are due for a bounce sometime soon. Yep, absolutely. He got so much aura, I feel through the screen. Monthly FVGs marked at 27. Bro. You literally just go over to the monthly chart and you just draw it out like that. That's it. We just hit it, guys. We just hit it. We just hit the monthly FVG. Monthly FVG has been hit. Okay, you guys gotta give me a second because I'm trying to... Yep, monthly FVG has tapped. Monthly FVG has been tapped. Let's go, let's go. Now, there could be some longs. Heads up, Trump is tweeting this morning. W, that's exactly what price needs. That's what we need to get a nice bounce. I'm gonna look for my swings because I'm trying to get into swings here. Hold on, guys. I am trying to... Guys, it is tapped, bro. It's... What are you guys talking about? Are you guys okay? This has tapped the monthly fair value gap. Are you guys, like... You guys alright, man? You guys alright? I don't know what you guys are looking at, bro. It's been tapped. Are you guys, yo, you guys are like, are you guys looking at NQ? Maybe NQ just tapped it? No, bro, this has been tapped. Are you guys, I'm looking at NQ as well. It's the same thing on NQ as 8. It's like actually it's a little bit higher on NQ, no? Hold on. 829 on NQ as opposed to 827 here, but it's been tapped it. Yeah, it's been tapped it, bro. You guys are not okay. Get off those CSD charts, man. Lock in. Okay, I'm gonna hold on. Let me look for my calls, bro. 1 second. Wow, these are cheap. Okay, bet. I just don't know if I want QQQ or if I want SPY now at this point, because ES is very, very strong. ES is extremely strong. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this fill. Okay, I got that in there. See if I fail. Isn't SPY better for tax? Doesn't matter. Okay, let's see. Very close to getting a fill. Almost to my first level. This is my first level right here. Oh, fuck. I don't know if it's gonna... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I don't know if it's gonna... Am I gonna fill? Am I gonna fill? Am I gonna fill? Come on, come on. Come on. A little bit lower, a little bit lower, a little bit lower. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. My bid is, so I'm trying to, my limit is $12.80 a con. The bid is at 12.80 right now. I need it just a little bit lower, bro. I need the ass there, but fuck, I don't think I'll get it. I don't think it fills me that low, bro. All right. Okay, I am in these. Let me send these. Okay. All right, nice. Yeah, Dan, I just sent him. I changed the strike. Got a different strike now. But overall, so overall, right? Like higher time frame wise, this is where I would like to see the market bounce from. Is going to be this area right here, 755. If it doesn't bounce from here, it's going to go into 337. So another 500 points lower, right? Another 500 points lower is where it might go. So it all depends on how it reacts to this level. I would like to see a bounce here. But anything could happen, you know? Anything could happen. Maybe after ES takes previous week low. Yeah, maybe. I mean, it's not necessary though, right? Because we have a ton of SMT here in this area. So it's not necessary for it to take the previous week low. Almost 10 p.m. guys. 15 more minutes left until 10 p.m. and then we can get a trade. But nice dump there from the open, which is what we were expecting. $10 a.m. You guys know what I mean, bro. Reason for options over NQ cons. There's really one simple reason. It's because I would only be able to get 2 micros. I would only be able to overnight 2 micros. And the weekend margin also changes. So I think on the weekend, I would only be able to do 1 micro. With a 10K portfolio, you'd only be able to overnight 1 or 2 micros, especially over the weekend. So the margin requirements would just simply be too much. You could do a micro, 2 micros if you wanted to, but I think in the end, as it goes up, you would make a little bit more on options. ES almost to the previous day low. Let's see what it does there. You always wait until 10? Not always. I mean, I told you guys it was going to dump at the open at 9:30, but there was no setup there for me. So now I'm hoping that we get a setup at 10. Will you long if PDL is hit? No, I'm not just longing just based off of that, right? I'll long when a long setup shows up. We're another almost 100 points below 755, by the way. 96 points, almost 100 points below 755 now. We were just at 755. So clearly very, very, very bearish. Very bearish. Yeah, next level I got is 27,337. That's my next level. Where do you think we go from here? I would like to see up from here. Again, you got to give this thing some room, right? These are levels from a much higher time frame. So it needs a little bit of room to properly play out and do its thing. But we just filled the weekly fair value gap. We have another weekly gap a little bit below. We filled the entire weekly fair value gap, the first one. We filled the daily fair value gap, and we hit the monthly gap that we were looking for as well. So there's a very good chance from a higher time frame perspective that we could see a reversal from around this area to head back up, right? I personally think that in this area, this 27,000 area, we get a bounce and we put in an internal low here on the higher time frame to head back up into new all-time highs, right? Now, obviously, it could go a little bit lower, you know, build some more structure here if that's what it wants to do. But I think this general area, we see new all-time highs from here. That's what I would like to see. This is kind of like a very, very similar setup that we saw coming into the low of the year that I called out too. You know, super like horrible news coming out. Like the news was all absolutely terrible. You know, we were just we were bleeding down into low of the year. And then all of a sudden ceasefire. So yeah, like people are like, oh, Trump's talking, you know, whatever. But you guys gotta take into account that Trump talking would actually be better for the market here. right? Because no matter what Trump says, okay, this market will go higher, like if it wants to. The predetermined move is already there. So it doesn't matter what Trump really says. It's already going to make the move. Whatever Trump says just fuels it towards that predetermined draw, right? So this market is already going to make a move either lower or higher. And whatever Trump says is just going to move the market towards that area. It's not going to change the direction. So when you're expecting a big move, you kind of want Trump to talk. It's going to be in your favor. Let's see what happens. 8 minutes left until 10 a.m. What do you think about the Tate brothers? I don't really care about the Tate brothers. Yeah, bro. Everybody liked this. How many likes do we have? Let me see. How many likes we got going right now? 67 likes? You guys are not real. 67 likes? Yo, the New York crowd actually sucks, bro. Yo, listen. We have almost 500 people in here. 200 likes. I will do 3 spins on the wheel for 3 different people. 3 different spins for 3 different people. Let's go, bro. Come on. Like up the stream. Let's get the likes going. 200 likes. I will do 3 spins for 3 different people on the wheel. And the wheel has been cooking. And I got TPT accounts to give away. Let's go. Come on. Lock in. Lock in, everyone. Only people to chat if liked. I know, bro. Swear. I need TPT. Well, bro, if you get a spin and you win a TPT, then you got it. Don't worry, I got Tradeify as well. Trump tweeting about Lil Wayne's endorsement. Dude, I don't even know what the fuck he's talking about. Let me pull up my financial juice and make sure. Trump meeting with Benjamin Netanyahu will be held away from the cameras. Okay. And they're going to do some weird shit. Is the new Lucid better than TPT? It's not better than TPT, no. In terms of daily payouts, TPT is still the reigning GOAT. TPT is the reigning GOAT in terms of daily payouts. Can't use TPT and Lucid in Philippines. It's okay. We have Tradeify. We have Apex. We have... what else? Yeah, that's it. Tradeify and Apex. I got to get some from Blue Guardian, too. I need Blue Guardian to send me some codes as well. They probably will. Should I buy Lucid 25K or TPT daily? Well, TPT, there is only one plan. It's all the same, but it depends on which Lucid you want to buy. Do you want to buy the Lucid daily? If you're going to buy a Lucid daily, I would say the TPT 25K is better. Yeah, if you're going to do daily, then I would do TPT instead. Is TPT really that good? Bro, TPT is one of the best firms out right now. And there's honestly no argument, really. One of the best firms out right now. It is the closest, their funded portion is the closest you can get to a live account. There is no minimum days. There is no max payout. There is no consistency. There's nothing. So yeah, it is the best. It is the closest you will get to live. Are you in a trade? I am not in a trade. Not in a trade. TPT, Lucid, or Tradeify. I'll be, yeah, exactly. TPT, Lucid, Tradeify. Those are the ones. Not if Fiverr's just swing trading. Well, they don't have a trade of it yet. So I'm blocked by TPT. What did you do? You definitely did some shit. Selling? I'm down to sell. It just depends on what this looks like after 10. I need 10 a.m. to open first and then see what it looks like. But I'm open to selling. I'm open to selling. I'm open to buying. Doesn't matter. Top one. I haven't used top one. I think it'll go higher in FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, I think it could. I think it could. Why is nobody trading JuiceStep right now? Because JuiceStep is horrible. I think people are coming around to realize that shit is garbage. And that Lucid is better in every way. When can I come over to your house? Maybe never? A lot of rumors of a surprise rate hike tomorrow. If there's a rate hike, then this shit is going to the 337, if not lower. Could we chop out today because of FOMC tomorrow? Yes, absolutely. But it's already made a massive move here. So, yeah, it could definitely chop out. Our range today is already pretty big, right? We need to build a buffer on these new TPT accounts I passed last week. Mine are basically new as well because I took the payout on them. So they're at 2K, but well, they're not past. They're already past the buffer. Yours would still be under the buffer. Basically, ICT, you just need to look for your A+ setup. And the first A+ setup that you see, you put size into it. That's it. It's that easy to get above the buffer, bro. Obviously, it could go wrong, you know, but, you know, first A+ setup you see, you want to just take that. Yo, guys, I have a banana right here, and I want to eat it, but that would mean I have to turn my camera off because ain't no way, gang. There's already enough AI photos of me floating around, bro. I'm waiting for FOMC so I can hopefully get some clean delivery on the A+ setup. Yeah, that's probably a good move. Div, what's good, bro? Yo, Div. They want some Tradeify accounts, which you are the yielder of Tradeify accounts. So, you know, let's do something about that. Let's do something about that. How many likes are we at, guys? $192. We're not even at 200 yet. You guys are actually you guys are insane. This is crazy. It's crazy, bro. We need 8 more likes. $200 likes. Div will give away some Tradeify accounts. Lock in. Div will drop them in the chat right here. Make sure you guys are paying attention to the chat. Okay, make sure you're already logged into Tradeify. You already have your account selected and you're on the coupon code. Enter coupon code section because he's going to drop it. All you need to do is copy and paste. Okay, I'm giving you game right now. Lock in. Hurry up. 10 a.m. guys. 10 a.m. Here it is. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Let's see what happened. CB consumer confidence missed forecast, which not that big of a deal. It's not red folder anyways. but it did miss forecast. So far, this 10 a.m. needs to go lower, so we can watch this 15-minute gap up top, see what it could do there. That's kind of the only thing we got. We have this Wixie right here at 776.75. We can watch that. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Loading up 5 micros, ready to go, ready to go. This account is down from the trade that I took last night. But we're ready to go, ready to rumble. Okay, there it is. There it is. That's the first one. Yo, kid, get up on out of here, man. I love that you're long, like we're in the same bias, but yo, chill. Hold on. Okay. W code. Did somebody take that? Who took that? It's a 25K select. It's a 25K select. It's right there. Who got it? Who got it? Yo, Pixify, please shut up. Fuck. Like, Pixify, come on, bro. Invalid? That means somebody got it. Who got it? Damn, this range is big. I'm gonna have to do 3 micros here on the Fund Easy. Check Discord. I'm on Discord. Well, what is there to check on there? No way. Oh my god. Damn. Somebody got it. Somebody got it. Damn. All right, Dave, time for another one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Time for another one. Wow, bro. Drizzy has been absolutely robbing these codes from everybody. It's insane. This guy's gotten 4 codes so far. It's time for Key to tell me short or long. Bro, I don't even know myself, bro. I don't even know what I'm doing myself. You do not have to include the 25K underscore select. You don't have to include that part. So there's going to be a code, and then there's the 25K select or 50K select. See, like, well, Div is a retard, right? Div is an absolute dumbass. So he's, for whatever reason, he's posting the entire thing together because he's an idiot. You have to put a space between the 3 and the 25K select, Div, moron. But that code ends at 3. The number 3, that's where the code ends. So if you're putting it into the coupon code thing, you have to stop it at 3. These are all Tradeify codes. Dude, if Zrizzy got this one too, we're gonna have to, like, put a rest to Zrizzy getting these. Phaseroo, what's good, bro? Phaseroo. I got... No, you didn't. No, you did not. You're lying. You're actually lying. There's no way. I got it? Okay, so T-Shield got it and not Zrizzy, I think. Alright, T-Shield got it. WT Shield. WT Shield. Well, I got it? No way. Bro, Zrizzy. Yo, Zrizzy, bro. Oh my days. Almost to the 5-minute Wixie. One more we got. Yeah, one more. Yo, Zrizzy, chill. Zrizzy, chill out. Chill out. Don't get this next one, okay, Zrizzy? Like, don't even try. Just chill. Div, drop another one. And put a space between... Drop it properly. G-Dog, what's up, bro? Almost to the 5-minute CE. 5-minute CE. 5-minute CE. And... 3, 2, 1... There's the 5-minute CE. Let's see what he do. Let's see what he do. Let's see what he do. I'm going to try it with a stop loss at the high right here. This is definitely a bit risky, so keep that in mind. This is definitely a bit risky. For sure, a riskier trade. But I would like to trade this down to the low here, assuming that 10 a.m. is manipulating higher because it has opened up with no manipulation wick to the downside. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go stop right here now. Nah, stopped out 10 points there. It doesn't look like it wants to reject this, which is cool because I got longs as well, so it's all good. I got calls, but there's nowhere else for this to reject besides maybe hitting this 15-minute, and then 15-minute can do 15 to 1, but it's not gonna have any SMT, which is what's gonna fry this trade. There's no SMT. Okay, I should have kept the initial stop loss. I moved it too quick, man. I moved it too quick. God damn it. Moved it too quick. Dropping 50K, 300. Okay, 300 likes, and we're going to have a 50K account dropped. Damn, dude. Wow, bro. That was the trade. That was the trade. That was the trade. I should not have moved my stop loss. Wow, bro. Fuck. Is anybody still in that? Damn. Pass my account. Nice, bro. Fuck, I moved my stop loss too quick. That was not it. Should not have moved the stop loss there. But it's all right. It's all right. It happens. It's okay. Okay. Yeah, the 15-minute should have gotten tagged there, but it didn't. Which is interesting because it could then bounce from this open, go up to the 15-minute. That's a possibility as well. Let's see. If I can only get one account, should I get TBT or Lucid? It depends. Do you value daily payouts? If yes, then do that. There you go. There's a 50K account. 50K account. Who got that? Usage limit? Okay, so somebody took it then. It's not all used codes. All the last 3 people got. Let's see how it reacts to this. Does it want to go up to the 15-minute fair value gap, or is it too weak to even get to the 15-minute fair value gap? Key, since I'm your biggest and most loyal fan, I'm gonna need a code personally meant for me. Oh. Okay. All right. You taking these on the funded? I took that one on the funded, but I moved my stop too quickly, bro. The sell, I moved it too quick. That was my fault there, bro. That was very annoying. Hold on, bro. I gotta eat this banana, bro. Like, I'm hungry. This banana is getting eaten. But I am, turning off my camera. Okay. I'm not eating a banana with my camera on. All right. Bro, listen, Dan, you know what's gonna happen, right? There's gonna be 50 AI pictures of me with some crazy shit in my mouth. That's what's gonna happen. Like, when I got my camera off, I could eat it however I want. I could do whatever I want. Bro, there's no way you guys actually, like... Hold on. When you're by yourself and nobody's watching, do you eat the banana like normal, or do you still put it sideways and do all that extra shit? Like, when you're by yourself, bro, you guys are just eating the banana normally. Don't be capping over here saying that you don't. Whole thing one bite is crazy. Hell no, bro. Yo, Div, what is wrong with you, bro? What the fuck is wrong with you guys? Can you guys chill out? I cut the banana. That's what I did yesterday. I cut the banana. There's the open. 10 a.m. open. Do we have enough juice maybe to go higher? Into the 15 minute? Looks pretty weak. Looks very, very weak. All right, guys, fine. I'll turn my camera on. You guys ready? Is it okay for a grown man to eat a banana and enjoy it? All right, bro. Things are getting out of hand now. This is insane. Can't even eat a banana anymore. Not enough juice to go higher off the 10 a.m. there, so... Not enough juice to even get to the 15-minute... Bro. The trade was the 5-minute rejection block, bro. I'm actually pissed about moving that stop loss to break even. Or moving that stop loss just way too quick. I'm pissed about that. It's annoying. If I can only get one account, I answered you already. It depends on what you value. Do you value daily payouts? You know, what do you value? When you're looking at a funded account, what do you value more? Cheers from Singapore. What's up, bro? Someone said if you eat the banana in one go, they'll buy 20 accounts with your code. Yeah, they're cooked, bro. I'm not doing that. Hey, cutie, can I get an account for showing up every day and calling you cute? Oh, new 50K, new 50K account, new 50K account, new 50K account. Div just dropped a new 50K account. Lock in, lock in, lock in. New 50K account, new 50K account. Dropped in the chat. Tradeify. Who got it? Have you taken a trade for the session? I literally just tried shorting this, but I stopped out. I stopped way too quick. I moved my stop loss. If I didn't move my stop loss, I'd still be in this trade, but I moved my stop loss and got cooked. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. Oh, new 25K account. New 25K account. There you go. New 25K account. I got it? No way. Yasi, you got it? Is Div rich or what? No, he just gets all the codes from all these different firms. Yo, chat. Y'all lucky I can't claim these accounts or else I'll get banned. No, you're good, Zrizzy. You're good. Give me a 100K account and I'll be your personal chef. Are we going to get any setup today? Who knows, bro? Who knows? I mean, we had a perfect setup. I just let it flip. I let it slip out of my hands, bro. I moved the damn stop loss and it got cooked. But that was the setup. That was the trade right there. That was the 10 a.m. trade right there. I'm actually kind of disappointed in that. I've done that so many times before, bro. Just move the stop too quick and get fried. But you know what? It's all right. It's all right. We live to try another day. We live to try another day. We only took a 10-point stop, so whatever. Can you go over that setup? Yeah, it was pretty clean. Okay, I'm going to do a quick breakdown of that trade right there. Okay. So first things first, obviously we have to wait for the 10 a.m. to open. Here's the 10 a.m. open. And then we have to see what does 10 a.m. do? Which way does it go? Right? Because if 10 a.m. is a bearish candle, we need to see an open, then a high to put in the wick, then a low, and then a close, right? And then that makes a bearish candle. If 10 a.m. is bullish, then we need to see an open, then a low, and then a high, and then a close. So when it makes that high or the low, you're looking for a area for this thing to manipulate into. Now, we don't have anything on the 15-minute besides that 15-minute fair value gap up top, right? And then before that 15-minute gap, we have the 5-minute rejection block right here. So I marked out the 5-minute rejection block, and this is what I'm looking at. What makes this a rejection block? We have a 5-minute fair value gap, right? So this swept into a 5-minute gap and left this wick, hence this is a rejection block. So we see an open and then an immediate move higher towards the rejection block. So immediately I'm assuming that we're going to go lower now. So we make this move higher, we make the move higher, we make the move higher, and right there we hit the midpoint of the rejection block. I entered the trade there, but I ended up moving the stop too quickly to this high, this candle's high, and I took a 10-point stop on that, whereas I should have kept it at my initial stop up here, and as you can see, that ended up being the high, and it expanded all the way down to the 10 a.m. low, like that. And that would be the trade. Like, that was the perfect trade setup for today. So yeah. It's not a bot taking them, guys. There's people in the Discord literally sending proof of them getting the accounts, bro. Like, you guys are just too slow, bro. Stop being slow. Tighten up. I pasted the coupon but didn't click apply. Accidentally just... Gang. Gang. Brother. And you didn't even use code key, so you're probably gonna, like, fail that eval too. Bro. Come on, man. I'll do some spins. I'll do spins. So far, Div gave the codes here. I'll do spins. With spins, you're guaranteed to get one that works. How about that? All right? Div save some for Asia? Bro, MT, there's a lot, bro. There's a lot. Like, there's a ton. Don't worry. Do not worry, guys. Do not worry. Give me a spin for calling you cute, bro. Bro, does that deserve a spin? Does that deserve a spin, calling me cute? You know what? You do come in here every single day and you repeat the same thing and you call me cute every single day. Maybe you do deserve a spin. Maybe you do deserve one. My dedication to showing up every day. He is consistent. This is true. All right. I got you. The people have spoken. The people have spoken. The wheel is here. All right, Phaseru. Lucid 50k, Phaseru. Phaseru, type in the general chat in the Discord and I will send you your Lucid 50k. www. Not sure if you saw my DM. Yeah, Scott, whoever won TPTs, I sent your guys' emails to TPT. TPT, it's different. It's, you don't get I don't get codes from TPT. I have to give them your guys' emails and they put a credit for an account on your email or on your TPT account, right? So it can take a while because it's got to go back and forth from email. I don't get codes from them. They don't give codes out. So, yeah. Fuck, now I just paid for an account by accident without putting in a code. Yo, just hit up their support. If you paid for the Tradeify accidentally without putting in a code, just hit up their support and tell them to apply code key W. You have my email from... No, you got to DM it to me. You got to DM me on Discord your email. You got to DM me on Discord your TPT email. If you won an account. Today is my birthday. How about a spin for me? First one. Is it actually your birthday? Like, you swear to God it's your birthday today. Phaseru, it is... Discord.gg/Cobra Trading LLC. That's the thing. He's capping 100%. Yes, no lie. Brennan, send me a picture. Send a picture. You're in the premium. Send a picture of your ID that shows the birthday. Yeah, yes. Show me your ID. If it's your birthday, I'll give you a spin. I was using TradeAvate compared to TopStep X or Trade C. I'm tired of rhythmic data, but UI is so easy for my smooth brain. I've always preferred TradeAvate. I've used TradeAvate for 4 years, right? Since I started trading futures. When I first started trading futures, I didn't start with prop firms, right? Because they didn't really exist. Well, they did, but they weren't as poppin'. So I started with a live account and it was on Tradeovate. So I've been using Tradeovate for a very, very long time, you know? So I personally don't like anything else. I just like Tradeovate. I've never had an issue with Tradeovate. They're amazing. The fills are great. The UI is great. Everything's great. You want the picture in the den or in the VC? Just send it in the den real quick and then delete it. I'm on it. I'm in the den. I'm waiting. Grown man begging for a handout on his birthday is crazy. Bro, I swear I'm trading two-step 5K CFD account. Oh my God, bro. Talk about the trenches. Holy shit. Two-step 5K CFD account. Wow. I have never heard some shit like that in my life. You should do a video on how to use Tradeovate. Bro, it's not that difficult. Hold on. Oh shit, it is his birthday. It is his birthday. All right, I'm deleting your message, Brandon. It is his birthday. All right, Brandon. Happy birthday, Brandon. Happy birthday. This is your birthday spin. Free spin. Damn. You got lucky. It's another free spin. Lucid 50K. I gotta go buy these fucking Lucid 50Ks for you guys now. I'm buying you a Lucid 50K Flex. Well, I gotta buy two because of Phaseroo as well. Spending $200 on these for you guys, bruv. Alright, where's Brandon at? Brandon, where are you at? Brandon, where are you at? All right, Brandon, there you go. Phaseroo, I'm still waiting for you. I just DM'd it to you, Brandon. DM'd you my email. All right, I got it. If you DM'd it to me, you're good, bro. You're good, Scott. Lucid should give you codes. I requested them, but we'll see if they give them to me or not. It just depends on how many of you guys use my code. Like, if for 1 month, not enough people use my code, they're gonna be like, yo, fuck off, we're not giving you accounts, and then I gotta buy them, which is fine. It's not a big deal, but I requested them, so we'll see. I'm trading Blue Guardian instant start account. I'm down bad. Sorry, man. You are one of the most genuine traders out there, Key. I hope you get more and more successful, brother. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, Matt. Is your Discord monthly or yearly or lifetime? It's lifetime. The Discord is 580 lifetime. I'm trading a 1K eval. What is a one? What are you talking about, man? I've not traded any prop before, and I'm showing up every day so I could get a spin. You know what? Khalid has showed up every single day. He shows up every... You know what? I got you, bro. Khalid shows up every single day, and he doesn't have a prop account. This is true. He does show up every day. He's been showing up every day for like months now. Another Lucid 50K. Yo, Khalid, you want Lucid or you want TPT? Because I'll let you swap. I'll let you swap it to a TPT one if you want. While I wait for my Lucid codes. It's up to you, Khalid. Pick one. Dodgy speaks highly of you. What does he say? You should put the premium on the wheel. I can't, bro. I can't do that. You pick for me? Okay, I'm gonna do Lucid then, because it'd be better for, like, as a beginner, it'd be better. Getting you a Lucid Flex. All right, Khalid, join the Discord. I need you in the Discord. Free side of the Discord and type in the general chat. Type in the general chat, free Discord. Lead. Where you at? Yo, Khalid, somebody's saying they're you. I need you to confirm that that is you. I need you to confirm your Discord name in here for me. Arion? Okay, so that is you. All right. All right, there you go, bro. I just DM'd you your code. Okay, that's literally like $300 spent in the last 5 minutes on Lucid codes, gang, to give out to you guys. No more Lucids. No more. We're done. Lucids are cut off. If you want an account, you're getting a TPT, and there's no fucking way around it, or a Tradeify. Yo, if you're in premium and begging for a spin, listen. First of all, do better. Second of all, you guys will get more chances at spins because when I'm in VC, like, I'll just spin it randomly for you guys, bro. Don't worry. All right? Don't worry. Why not Apex? I have Apex on there too. It's just never, bro, it like never lands on Apex. The wheel hates Apex. It never lands on Apex. Yeah, it is very choppy, bro. I'm telling you guys, the trade was this one that we were in at one point in time. Fuck, that's annoying. I'm not in premium. Can I get a spin? Bro. Yo, listen, guys. If you want a spin, you got to earn a spin. You don't just get a spin by just fucking asking for a spin. You earn a spin. Everybody that has gotten a spin so far has earned their stripes, bro. They've earned their stripes. They've earned their stripes. I'll eat a banana on stream for a spin. Gang. Serious question, Key. What's your why philosophy behind helping out others? My why is that, to me, bro, look, okay, so after you make, and I think this is specific to making money through trading or just internet money, not like money outside of this, right? Which, like building a business and making money that way. I think this is specific to internet money. But when you have been making internet money, easy money, for so long, right? It's been now 7 years that I've been trading, right? I'm starting my 8th year trading in November of this year. So it's been a very long time. I've been making money for a while. It gets to a point where it's not as fulfilling anymore, right? It's not as fulfilling for me to make the money myself. Like, money starts to kind of like phase out. Like, money doesn't really mean much after a certain point, right? Like, when you're first, before you even make any money, you're gonna be like, yeah, bro, money's everything. Once you make a lot of money consistently for years and years and years, you start to notice, what can you really do with money? You buy like materialistic things here. You go on a vacation here. You buy your mom this. You buy your dad this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's only so much shit that you can do before you just run out of shit to buy, right? Or, you know, like, you guys get what I'm saying? Like, bro, for me, I don't want to travel as much right now, right? I enjoy being at home. I enjoy being here and like trading from my setup. And so I don't feel the need to travel yet, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll travel more in the future. But, you know, don't need to right now. I've already bought everything that I could possibly want. Okay. I have the cool cars. I have whatever I could possibly want. So now it's like, it brings me more fulfillment, right? Genuine fulfillment coming on here and sharing the knowledge with you guys and seeing people go from A to Z. You know what I'm saying? Seeing people go from unprofitable and then watching the streams and becoming profitable, or like just coming into the streams and learning something. You know, that's my fulfillment now, right? I don't know if you guys have seen, like, dude, there's been a few people that have left the trading industry recently, and it's people who have been trading for a while and have been making money for a while, you know? Like, it gets to a point where it's no longer the same, you know? I can be red on the day if I lose on the day, right? But the people watching my stream have taken a good trade and they win. I would feel more fulfillment from that than me being green. Okay? So, you know, that's kind of the point that I'm at in life. Also, as a trader, you guys got to understand, as a trader, bro, you provide zero value to society. Nothing. No value to society at all. So, you know, how can you give back? Like, what can you do? This, you know, this would be the only way, really. So yeah, I've learned a ton. 2 payouts this month. My foundational knowledge is from Key. Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate that, man. But yeah, that's really my why, bro. That's my why. 15 FVG between 27,648.5. 648.5, so holy fuck, bro, that's gonna be so far back. With a 1 minute CSD, a bad look in a trade for upside due to such bearish PA. Dude, yeah, I mean, honestly, I think it'd be better to look for something like a 5 minute, 1 hour to 5 minute. But it's not that it's bad. It's just gonna be a little lower probability. Like, we have a higher time frame PD arrays here, right? We have the daily, we have the weekly, and we have the monthly. So you know, the first time frame from a higher time frame perspective, the first time frame that can give a change in state of delivery would be a 1 hour. Maybe we have a 15-minute there too, but would be a 1 hour. Unless we have a 1 hour fair value gap back here too. I just gotta go so far back to find it. We do have a 1 hour, but it's not fresh. It's not a fresh 1 hour. We do have a 15-minute. We do have fresh 15 minutes. So yeah, I mean, you could use the, you could use a 1 minute. It is possible to use the 1 minute. I think personally, like, once this hourly gets a change in state of delivery, I would say that this low has been put in. Once we get an hourly change in state of delivery, this low has been put in. And we should then make a grind up to new all-time highs. Midnight open on 1 hour RB shorts. Was it valid? Where's my midnight? Oh, it's not going to show up here because I'm on the midnight open right here. Yeah, I would say it was valid. Yeah. I think the better move was the trade up towards midnight. That was easy. It's an easy move. All right, we're almost going to get to 15-minute fair value gap now. So let's see how that goes. 15-minute fair value gap. Pass my trade account with your knowledge and flow strategy. Can I get a spin? Bro. Come on, bro. Definitely helped a lot watching you, especially dealing with bad promo. Yeah, there you go. I wouldn't say traders don't give any value to society. We help keep all the employees that work for internet providers employed. Brother. What do you think? We're the only ones using the internet? Complete side note, but do you remember a few weeks ago I told you I'm developing a better trading journal? I do remember that, yeah. What'd you do? Did you develop it or what? At what point will you take it long? I need to see a 15-minute fair value gap to go long, bro. Took the short from London high midnight sweep, but got out before London low, and then I made this move. It's all right, bro. It happens, man. You're not always going to catch the entire piece of the move. Sometimes you're not even going to catch the move, even though your bias is right. Like, a perfect example of that was right here on 5 minute. I took it in front of you guys. I took the short on the 5 minute rejection block here, moved my stop too quick, got stopped out for 10 points, and then it made the move that I was looking for. So, grind up to all-time highs today. Bro, come on. Like, these questions can be either, like, kept in the back of your fucking brain or just, like, not even, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's go. Come on. Tradify fuck me? How? What happened? Did you get charged? Hit up their support. Working on with my team, and I just wanted to get insight of what things other trading journals could do better when it comes to UI. Maybe some features you think they're missing. Probably something I'm going to be working on for the next few months. Maybe in the next few weeks, I can give you a preview. Yeah, bro, I'd be down to use it if you want. I'd be down to use it, and then I think it'd be better that once I use it or a third-party person uses it, they can tell you what's missing, or they can like figure out whatever bugs you have and whatnot. It says $0 total and charged me. You could just hit up their support, bro. Hit up their support. Just be like, I accidentally bought this without putting in a code. I thought I put in a code. Tell them to put in code key. That's what you said, though. Yo, buddy, I said that it's going to all-time highs today. If you can go back and find where I said it's going to all-time highs today, I will give you 10 spins on this wheel. You think we hit all-time high? Can you trade news on Lucid Fundeds? You can trade news on Lucid Funded, yeah. We have some SMT here. ES is inside of this 15-minute gap. I'm not like very fond of shorting here, just because we're in the higher time frame levels where it should be bouncing from. So, yeah, let's see. Did you already trade? I did already take a short. Made $200 today. Nice. I recently started watching you and I really love the way you talk the charts. Thanks, man. Doing this trading shit while in the military is not fun at all. Yeah, I get it, bro. Good reversal from weekly FVG. Yeah, weekly, daily FVG, and monthly FVG. Again, listen, guys, we don't have a confirmed reversal off of these higher time frame PDRAs until this goes and gets an hourly change in stated delivery. We need an hourly change in stated delivery that lines up with the daily, okay? So that's our first time frame confirmed reversal. Then we need a 4-hour change in stated delivery, which is a little bit lower right here. That's the weekly's confirmed reversal. Then we need a daily change in stated delivery is going to be all the way up here. That's going to be the monthly reversal. Obviously, once we get the 1 hour and 4 hour, we can be bullish. But yeah, the point is there's no confirmed reversal or a protected low until we get that change in state. Once we get that change in state, these lows become protected lows and we should not trade back down to those lows. Make sense? So yeah, that's the, you know what I'm saying? You take partials. If yes, then at what RR you take it? I don't take it like based on RR. I just base it off the chart. Trade you took is the Wixie and FVG considered a BPR? No. Longs are cooking. Just wait for proper confirmation. Yeah. We're back up above the monthly FVG. Right back up above the monthly FVG now. Okay. So new monthly in 3 days, which means that if this monthly candle goes up a little bit here, we open up the next monthly, we manipulate down into the midpoint of this month, right? Midpoint of the wick, right? And then go up again. But as long as we get that 1 hour, 4 hour change in state, this low right here is protected. No reason for us to trade back down to that low, right? Very simple. So yeah, just look for that. That's it. But nice move up here. Very nice move up here. Are my calls green? No, they're not. Not yet, at least. I had an alert set last night's short 4 hour FG never got hit. I know. We were watching that as well. Never got hit. Do you mind sharing your music playlist? It's good, man. I always just watch this dude. His name is Gander on YouTube. He has like Rufus Du Sol mixes, and I just play those. That's it. What kind of news we got coming out? Yo, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If you needed something, if you needed a little sliver of hope for the longs, this is it right here. Fear and greed index is at fear. Everybody is fearful, that is when we buy. That's when we say, okay, bet, I'm in. That's when we say we're in. So yeah, W fear and greed index, W fear from the commons, and let's go, baby. This is where we bank. This is where we shine, bro. This is where we come alive. This is the shit we do. Think we go back up to midnight? If this is bullish, yeah, 100%. Yeah, W fear, bro. W fear. Will you stream AM tomorrow? Still looking to take something? We're just watching it now. TPT after the test is passed. How long until I can trade? So you pass the eval. How long until you get your funded? Is that the question? It's just the fear and greed index, bro. Yeah, tomorrow I'm not doing any New York AM stream because it's FOMC, right? So we're not training New York AM tomorrow. We're doing New York PM, and we are doing Asia. Yes, like tonight at 5. Yeah, it'll be after this session is over. I don't have any funded next codes. I just passed my last Thursday and count. You ready to trade Friday? Nice. Nice. Nice move up. Very nice move up here. ES is so strong, bro. It's actually unreal how strong this thing is. So much strength on ES. NYPM stream here or in the Discord? It'll be here. Probably be here. Trump live? Oh, nice. W. That's what we need. Let's go. Trump and BB are live. Trump and BB are live. How many funded accounts have you blown? I've blown a lot, bro. Blown a lot in my day. NQ got touched this morning. Yes, never even took PDL. I know, bro. I know. I need some of that strength to flip over into NQ. Still looking at the 15 FVG for a reversal? No, I'm not looking for a reversal here now at this point. Like, I would like to see this continue higher. We don't have any SMT here, so... Actually, we do have SMT here. I lied. Yeah, if this gets a 1 minute change in state lower, which is all the way down... Oh, no, wait, no, it's not. Fuck, it could get 1 minute change in state right here. Like, right here. Off this candle. I mean, dude, I don't know how I feel about that. It's making such a beautiful move up. I don't think so, man. I don't think I'll participate in the short. This man Trump paid $5 million to rename West Palm Airport. There are people protesting with signs saying rename to Pedo International Airport. It's crazy. So we have a, technically we have a bearish 1 minute change in state here. I'm just not going to take it. Dude, the strength on ES, my God, that shit better flip, bro. That shit better flip over into fucking NQ. Otherwise, it's going to be bad news for NQ. Bad news for NQ. I was struggling for a model. You helped me understand CSD. I couldn't get it for anything. You helped me so much. There you go, bro. That's the goal. That's the goal, bro. W. It is going lower off that CISD, off that 1 minute CISD. 2 minutes until this new 15-minute candle, but it is going a little bit lower off of that. Let's see what it does. Let's take a look and see what happened. See what happened. What's up, JG? What's up, dude? Minute and a half left here for this 15-minute. Let's see. I would be interested in seeing what this 15-minute Wixie does. But we do have a 1 minute CISD here with SMT. So could definitely do a little something. Yeah, we have a decent amount of SMT with ES right now. Let's see. This could be one more trade, and that's it. One final trade here. Maybe he wants to go back down to the lows. Trading CFDs are so difficult given the price difference, but I've learned so much watching your content. Much love from Jamaica. Hell yeah, bro. Much love to you, man. What a monstrous wick. Yeah, I know. Big, big wick. Okay, 30 seconds left for this candle to close. Leaves the 15-minute wick there, and then we could possibly look at the Wixie there for a short position going back down to these lows. Let's see. There it is. Okay, let's see. If we can get up there, I would indulge in some shorts. I would do 3 contracts max. So I would do one, then another, right? One, then another, then another. I'll get into one right there. Only 3 cons, okay? Only 3 cons. The range is too big. Range is way too big to do anything beyond that. Let's see. This goes against my higher time frame bias, but it is with the trend. So yeah, I did take trades. Or just dump off of here, sure. First stop, I'll tell you when I have a full position. I don't have a full position here yet. But stop would be up here. Right, hard stop would be right up here. I'm out, Key. Gotta go save the city. All right, bro. Have a good one. Damn, dude. I guess no pullback to the Wixie. Are we gonna ride on one con? Bro. We riding on one con? How do you know when to short if there's a 1 hour bearish FVG at your stop? Because we have an actionable sell model. We have a CISD here. That's why. The best feeling is being on your stream and having zero FOMO when you take a trade that I don't have conviction in. Exactly, bro. I love that. There you go. All right, Ricardo, I'll see you tonight. Damn. I guess this is just gonna go with one con, bro. I mean, okay. I'm just moving my stop there. I guess this shit is just going on one con. One con better than no con? That's true, I guess. I'm gonna change it to ticks. Damn, that looks a lot better, right? 180 ticks. Damn. 200 ticks. Damn. That looks a lot better. Holy fucking wick. What is this thing doing? What the fuck is this thing doing? That was the most insane edge of all time. Holy edge of doom and despair. Wow. 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 Wow, bro. That was a crazy ass edge, I'm not even gonna lie. I haven't seen an edge like that in a goddamn long ass time. Wow, bro. All right, can we just go? Like, come on, let's go. Chop, chop, buddy. I got stopped out by a tick. I just moved the SL to that edged wick. I just moved it to that. It almost caught me. I've been in this for 5 constants, the 1 minute CIZ up there. Why you move your stop to save 5 cents? It's not to save 5 cents. It's to... I just moved it to the nearest high. I don't really give a fuck how much I save or lose because it's one contract. You don't trade gold anymore? Not as much. I mean, NQ moves a lot more, you know? I was trading gold when NQ wasn't doing anything. Now NQ moves, so... Trying to understand why you moved your stop to the recent high, because it's a swing high. You trail your, when you trail your stop, when you're in a short, when you trail your stop, you move it to swing highs. I'm just getting this accidental eval passed or blown. Fair, bro, fair. Do you always move your stops to recent highs slash lows, or it depends? No, it definitely depends. It definitely depends on the range and what we got. Oh. Well, there's our one con out of there. There's the CE getting hit, by the way, but I'm not getting back in this. I'm not getting back in this. TS is should go higher now, bro. This should better go higher now. We got a 1 hour fair value gap up there too. That should better get disrespected as well. Yeah, I'm pretty much done here. My I just got a text that my Raptor is out of service, so I gotta go pick it up now and enjoy and do some Raptor activities. So yeah, love you all. I'll see you guys tonight. And yeah.